O Levels Maths Exercise 13B D1 7th edition. We shall try to cover question number 9 both parts in this video. The question is about finding in the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region of which we have to find the area. There is no such shape like this in maths, known shape in maths, in which there is a circular cutout made in the middle and a triangle at the end. So what am I going to do? My procedure would be, I will take out the area of this big triangle and subtract the area of this parallelogram and this plus and then subtract the area of this circle and this triangle, and then I will get the my required answer. Now they have given all the dimensions. If I'll follow this theme, I know they have given they have given all the required dimensions to solve all these. So first of all, I'm going to calculate the area of triangle, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The area of rectangle, this is a big rectangle in which contains all these shapes. If I'll calculate the area of the triangle, the big rectangle, all this area including these white parts would also be included in this area. So here I know length is this, here is given, from this to this is 12 and from here to here is 14. I'll add them and I'll get, it would be, this entire area is 20, dimension is 26, measurement is 26, and width, breadth is this entire part, which is 15 plus 10 is 25. So I'm going to find the, which is equal to 25 into 26, which is equivalent to 650 centimeters square. Now this area with 650 centimeters square is the area of this entire region, entire rectangle. Now I have to subtract the area of this parallelogram, this circle and this triangle from this rectangle to get my required answer. So first of all, I am going to calculate the area of the circle. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi is equal to 3.14 and they have given us the radius, which is starting from the middle origin O center and touching the this part of the circle, so which is 4. So twice I'm going to write 4 and I'm going to calculate it, and it would be equivalent to 50.24 centimeters square. Now I will calculate the area of this triangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height is equal to 1 by 2 into, now in this triangle I have already told you height is the if it's a right angle triangle, whenever this sign is a symbol is joining two lines, it means that it is of 90 degree, it is a 90-degree angle, so it automatically becomes height. So height is from here to here is 15 and base is 12. So I'm going to write base is 12 and height is 15, and when I'm going to calculate it, I get my required result, which is 90 centimeters square. Now I will calculate the area of this parallelogram. Now they have given us this, they have not given us this, the dimension of this line of the parallelogram. They have not given us the dimension, but it's very easy to calculate as we know that the total measurement of this line is 26. 12 plus 14 is 26. So this entire line is 26 centimeter. I'll minus this 2 from here and 5 from here and get the result. So this line, this 26 starts from here and ends here, and I am looking for a dimension of this line which is starting from here to here. So I'll subtract 5 plus 2, 7 from this 26. So this line is 19. If this is 19, this is also 19. Now I know I have to know the height. Now height is the perpendicular distance, which is this point of a parallelogram which is opposed to this 10 centimeter. It is a straight line making a perpendicular with 5 centimeter with this line. So this is the, if this is 10, the height of this parallelogram is also 10. So I got my dimensions. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height is equal to base I am taking 19 because this is 19, so this is also 19, so 19, and height would be this 10, so into 10 it is equal to 190 centimeters square. Now I have now this is 190 centimeters square. The triangle is 90 centimeters square, and the circle is, area of the circle is 50.24 centimeters square. Now I have to subtract the sum of these areas of the white parts from the area of the rectangle, and I will get the required result. So area of shaded part is equal to area of rectangle, which is 650 minus area of circle, which is 50.24, minus area of triangle, which is 90, and minus area of parallelogram, which is 190. When I'll do my math, then I will be left with the answer, which is equivalent to 319.76. If they have calculated it, they have rounded it off to first three significant figures, which are 319, and the next is 7 is greater than 5, so they have rounded it off and added 1 to it, which makes it 320 centimeter square. Now the part B, in part B we have to find the area of the shaded region. There is no such shape in maths in which there is a trapezium and there is a circular part being ripped up from it. So what am I going to do? I am going to break it into known parts and subtract them, and then I'll get my required answer. So it is a trapezium. I have already told you the general form of trapezium is like this. It is a quadrilateral which has two parallel sides and one height. Height is the line which joins these two parallel lines. This arrow is the symbol of the parallel lines. So and another form of parallelogram is this. In this quadrilateral we have to establish there is no height because there is no straight line which is joining these two parallel lines. Both are slant, so in such scenario we have to establish the height first. But here it's a you can rotate this trapezium. They have rotated this in this question. So I know these arrows suggest that these lines are parallel and this perpendicular line is joining them, so it is the height. So what am I going to do? First of all, I am going to calculate the area of trapezium, which is equivalent to 1/2 into height into sum of parallel sides. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, now we know that this perpendicular line is joining to these parallel lines, so height is 18 and sum of parallel sides is one is 18 and the other is 35. So when I'll do the maths, I will left with 9 into 53, which is equivalent to 477 centimeters square. Now this area is the area of this entire trapezium, this white circular part inclusive. So I don't have to calculate the area of this circle. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take out the area of this circle and subtract it from the area of the trapezium and get my answer. So area of circle, the radius of this circle is 6 centimeter. It is starting from origin O and joining the outskirt of the circle. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi is equal to 3.14 and here r they have given us, which is equivalent to 6 into 6 into 6. When I do my maths, I am left with the answer 113.04 centimeters square. So I will subtract both of these, so I'll get area of shaded region is equal to area of trapezium minus area of the circle, which is 113.04, and the answer is 363.96. At the end they have rounded it off to 3 significant figures, so when I round them off, I'll see the next number, which is 9, which is greater than 5, so I add 1 to it, which is equivalent to 654 centimeters square, which is our answer.